Hey everyone, it's Melody with Dreaming of Bling. I'm back with another unboxing, and this one is for Sam's Bead Box, October 2021, and he named it Putting on the Glitz. You know, I love the fact that we love glitz, even in the fall, because sometimes you get some of the fall things and it's a little, it's a lot of the same colors, it's a lot of the same patterns, and they can be a little less glitzy. So let me read what he's got here. Sam writes, while I wish I could take credit for the name of this box, that cleverness comes from our bead box queen, Lynn. Many of you have met Lynn by now on the live sales, oohing and eyeing over the new gems and trying to scare me. Thanks, Lynn. Lynn knows the boxes well from her meticulous work getting them out the door, and she said this might be her favorite box yet. She won't stop talking about the faceted rondelles. They are pretty sweet. With Halloween just around the corner, we saw the perfect opportunity for a black and white box. But more than mysterious, I wanted these colors to feel luxurious and elevated. So for this month, we are putting on the glitz with deep black, sparkling crystal, and captivating garnet tones. Featured, you'll find a family of owls, vitriol glass, and 2 gemstone strands I had my cutter in India custom make for the box. In total, this month features 16 Czech glass items, 3 gemstones, and 2 USA-made tiara cast components. Wow! Oh my God! Share what you make in Sam's Bead Shop's Gem Chat group on Facebook, and you could win a prize when you use the hashtag Sam's Bead Box October 2021. Happy beading. So, he also lists he gives you a list of what's in the bag, but he does such a great job. And I've got some rogue beads in my bag. I'm not sure where they came from. So he does such a great job of labeling everything that you really don't need the item list. So I'm just going to jump right in. So the first thing I pull out is Czech glass rose coins, Mars red 14 millimeter 10-piece strand. And I already opened this earlier because, again, I think you guys know I started a new job, and so I haven't had a lot of time to do unboxings until I get into a routine. And I already opened this on the couch one night. Just absolutely fell in love with this box. Now it's looking a little more orangey. It is not. And that's because the sun has gone in and took away my natural lighting. So in my studio. So this is that garnet red, and it's almost like an ombre look to where it fades in and out. But look, aren't they gorgeous? You could just restring wrap right there with a couple spacers and have an amazing looking bracelet just with that. I love the red in, even with it a Halloween look, because you put that little, I'm telling you, you add a little red with that shimmery black, because I've already seen some of these, and guess what? You've got a really neat vampirous necklace or bracelet going on. So these are a Czech glass faceted rondelle in a white opal. I'm telling you, the camera does not do this justice. They have a beautiful AB finish, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Loving it. So the next item he has in here, he's got a premium Czech glass bead mix, black and white, about 45 grams. And let me tell you, I opened this and spilled it out on a bead mat I keep a bead mat downstairs on my couch, because if you see something, you just get inspiration. And I'm just going to spill this out here, because let me tell you, there are some of the cutest little Czech glass black leaves, and I call these chiclet beads because they remind me of those chiclet gums we used to chew, or I used to chew when I was little, and they almost look like a hematite color, even though they're Czech glass, but they're like a hematite color. Loving those. Oh, I love these drops. There's plenty of those in there. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then, oh my gosh, these are a matte, and there's a lot of these in there, little white matte glass beads, almost look like mermaid glass. And then some of the clear chiclets. I'm going to call them chiclets just because it just reminds me of a chiclet, you know, a chiclet gum. I love that. Love that. And then they have, let's see, some rondelles in here, some bicones. Oh, look at the milky white bicones. Aren't they cute? Have a little AB finish on them. And then they have one that is, see, these are kind of like a translucent milky white. And then they have the actual, what looks like milk glass white to me. So they are absolutely gorgeous. I'm trying to think. And then some little hematite color ones. Oh, and then I just found these. These are cute. Then they've got some rondelles that are kind of a two-tone silver and black. Loving that. And look at these. These are so cute. Little leaves. They are so stinking cute. Little black and clear leaves. Love those. So that's the mix. I think there's lots of doubles of everything. I might have missed a couple of things in here, but a lot of small spacers and Czech glass spacers. So I'm really looking forward to this. I would use one of my little plastic cups to scoop these up, but guess what? They are all sitting here full of beads because it's, yeah. And I actually have a necklace I'm working on underneath this bead mat that's going to go great with this bead box. So the next item is some Indian cut Labradite Irregular Heishi beads. They're dyed 4 to 5 millimeter and a 10-inch strand, and I saw these. I'm loving these. I love a good Heishi bead, but you give it in something like this, in this Labradite. Oh my gosh, aren't they adorable? Look at those. I'm loving these. And again, I have a 4-strand or a 3-strand necklace under this bead mat on a bead mat, you know, because I'm doing layers of bead mats now. And I know all of this is just going to go right well in there. So this is a Czech glass faceted round black Picasso luster, 7 millimeter, 29 pieces. And look at these. Look at that luster on them. Oh my gosh, they just shine. And I know I already want to use these on the necklace that's under the bead mat. The next item is black onyx smooth round 8 millimeter 7.5-inch strand. I also know that these, you know, you could string these and make these the cutest little string up, like black onyx bracelet, right? Just like that. But I already know they're going to help fill out that necklace that's on the bottom side. So this one is a Czech glass pear brio, jet black, 15 by 20 millimeter, and you get 4 pieces of it. Loving those. Those would make a cute little pair of drop earrings. And then we have Czech glass Sunburst coin in a jet black. I like these. Again, I already know these are going in that necklace that's 2 layers down. And then we've got the Tiara Cast. The Tiara Cast pack comes with 1 intermix 3-ring link bar, and 2 botanical branch links. I had to stop and read it because I'm like, wait a minute. But no, this is what it... So look at those. Aren't those adorable? I'm telling you. I'm seeing a bracelet coming with those. So the next item I have in here are Czech glass faceted Rondelle Garnet Shimmer. 8.5 by 6 millimeters. Approximately 20 pieces. Now, this is where I get in and I say, could you see that garnet? Because you can see, I mean, there's a nice AB finish on top of that garnet. But could you see mixing these in with that beautiful black and making like a vampiress necklace for Halloween? Which means I need to get my button gear and start making. And then these ones are Czech glass Marquis drop 20 by 8 millimeter red curtain. And I loved these again. Add that red into with that black. You got that beautiful Vampirus, Morticia from the Addams family. You got that look. We're going right there. So the next item they have is an Indian cut garnet center drill Marquis, and this is dyed, and it's a 4 by 8.5, 4 by 8 to 5 by 11 millimeter 7-inch strand. And look at these, aren't they just cute? And again, they are in that garnet. I love these. I mean, so the next item they have that Sam's put in here is a Czech glass table cut square jet Picasso, 10 millimeter, 8 pieces. And look at these. Loving these. I love me a good Picasso square. Love it. So the next item he's got in here is a Czech glass long diamond crystal AB 24 by 7 millimeter, and got 8 pieces in here. And this is what they, aren't they cute? Loving those. So the next item is a Czech glass pressed bicone in a jet black 6 millimeter, approximately 50 pieces. And I love these. I love these little Czech glass bicones because they make great spacers and fillers for your bracelets, your necklaces. They make great toppers on an earring. And then the next thing is a Czech glass faceted oval vitrail, 8.5 millimeter, 8.7 grams, approximately 25 pieces. And I love the finish on these. Look at that bling. Look at that bling right there. I love anything that gives me that blingy look. Guess that's why they call it, oops, sorry. That's why they call it dreaming of bling. Why I call my because I'm always dreaming of some kind of blingy, flashy color. And these ones are a Czech glass lentil, crystal AB, 8.5 millimeter, 8.3 grams, approximately 25 pieces. I love these because to me that's going to give that blingy look to anything you add to it. Escapee bead. So my last two items I think are my favorites. My favorites in this whole thing are these Czech glass carved owls. Now this one's a 15 by 18 millimeter. They're both 15 by 18 millimeter, and I got 2 in each bag. And one is a crystal AB, and I'm going to take one out of each pack and set them next to each other. And the other is a jet black gold. And I got excited when I saw Owl Family. Look at these, aren't they? They're just the cutest. Loving the little owl. I love an owl. I love owls, so. So that's my Sam's Bead Box unboxing for the month of October 2021. My favorite things were, of course, the owls. I loved the garnet shimmer. And let's see. Of course, I loved the whole thing because guess what? I was in when we got it in. When I got it in, it was I was in the middle making 2 layers down that necklace, and I was like, oh, I'm running out of black beads, and in comes this. I was so excited. So I think my 4 favorite are the owls, the garnet shimmer rondelles, and the Czech glass table cut jet Picasso. Love those. Those were my favorites for this one. So I'm gonna get off here. Got some errands to run. So if you want to subscribe to Sam's Bead Box, it is $39.95, I believe, plus shipping. And if you want to subscribe, go to Sam's Bead Box below, samsbeadbox.com. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So, hope to see you soon. I'm going to get off here, go run some errands, and then get to creating. So, we'll see you next time in the next video.